Ishengero ry'ihanga rihagarika ryashita mu rundi rwa kabiri mu rurembo rwa Gulu. Ishengero ry'izuba ryayibembera Right Honorable Anita Anetamo kandi haba hariho n'umuhezi we Right Honorable Thomas Taiwa.
24 C of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda 1995 and Rule 121 of the Rules of Procedure grant members a right to move a private member's bill. It is that right that two members seek to exercise today. That is Honorable Lumu and Father Onen Charles. Therefore, pursuant to Rule 122.1 of the Rules of Procedure, I now invite Honorable Lumu to move a motion seeking leave to introduce his bill.
It is important for members of the opposition in Parliament to hold a leader of the opposition or a chief whip accountable, cognizant of the need to entrench democratic principles in electing a leader of the opposition in Parliament and chief opposition whip as representative of all members of opposition in Parliament. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Parliament grants me leave, Madam Speaker. I pray, Madam Speaker.
Abanyuma umunyeshengero kuruga umuremetiana yanjire kiteiso ikishengero ry'ihanga Kuhindura mu mateka garyo agarukushoronzya uko mwebembezi w'urubaje rukakanisa government urukumanywa nka lead of opposition Ry'Okutorana.
Section 8 of the Administration of Parliament Act Cap 272 provides for the election of the opposition, the leader of the opposition by the party in opposition to the government having the greatest numerical strength in Parliament. The rules also say, Madam Speaker, that other parties should be consulted. Madam Speaker, my party has never been consulted on that.
Eiteeka echareto mu Paramenti yashitamo mu rurembo rwa Gulu ryashagikwa abanyeshengero benshi.
They have been working on it. If indeed they have been working on it, why then would he need 3 months? If indeed they have been working on it, then they can use 2 weeks to harmonize and introduce the bill.
Speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Anita Mong hamwe na Attorney General w'ihanga Eiteeka nabo bakishagika.
I do appreciate. But however, the procedure is such that once the bill comes, it will go to the committee. And the committee then calls for input from all other interested parties, including the private member. So, allowing a private member bring a bill which government is already processing is just a double work, because he can present his views and the views of all other people before the committee. I have given timelines, Right Honourable Speaker. The principles will be ready within 3 weeks, and that within 3 months we should already be in Parliament.
Session of Parliament Amendment Bill 2024. Those in favor say and the contrary nay. The ayes have it. Pursuant to Rule 121.234 of the Rules of the Procedure, the clerk is hereby instructed to accord the member a requisite support to ensure that the bill is tabled for the first reading.
Makuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano wa Sky TV agenshonga mrembo rwa Gulu.